I did application problem option C, blood pressure. Okay, here are the measurements of the blood pressure for systolic, and here is the ones for diastolic. And for diastolic, here is the histogram, and showing on the histogram is the tidal frequency of diastolic, and on the x-axis is the blood pressure measured in millimeters Hg, and the y-axis is the number of patients. And as you see, the numbers go to the 40 to 105, and here are the number of patients that you have for each measurement of the blood pressure for the diastolic. To conclude with these numbers, the mean came out to be roughly 70, and that shows that an average person would possibly have a blood pressure measurement of 70, and the medium is 76. That shows that the middle person will have a measurement of 76, and the mode is 72, and that shows that the number of patients have a measurement of blood pressure of 72 than any other measurement of blood pressure. Here is the systolic, and the same thing as that, the mean and the median and mode. The mean is 122, so it shows that an average person will have a measurement of 122 blood pressure, and the middle person have a blood pressure measurement of 121, and a person with, and the number of patients are commonly known to have a measurement of blood pressure of 120. Okay, so how I did this was I did my patients. I took 301 patients, and what I did was I took their blood pressure and I took it in diastolic and systolic. And blood pressure is, high blood pressure is a systolic measurement of 140 or higher, diastolic of 90. So when we look at systolic, it's 140 and above, so it's going to be roughly about, that's about 20, and that's about 15. With the systolic, the blood pressure is 140 and above, so it's going to be all of these, and that's roughly about 45 patients. So it's 45 patients have high blood pressure in the systolic measurements. And when we look at diastolic, it's anything above 90, and that's roughly 32 patients. So that means roughly 32 patients have high blood pressure in diastolic.